Hello class, today I will discuss about grammatical gender. Please read carefully in George Yule book ya. So before grammatical gender, actually we discuss about agreement. In agreement they discuss about number, person, tense, voice, and gender. But it is discussed in agreement that English is part of a language that use natural gender. Yeah, we call it as natural gender here. So natural gender is about biological distinction between male and female. Like Kathy is female, so she is the pronoun for Kathy is she or her. And if it is a man, it using he or its. If the sex is a noun, using it or its. So we need to be able to differentiate between what is natural gender, like what we know in English, and what is grammatical gender. Yeah. So grammatical gender is in several languages beside English. So the type of biological distinction used in English is quite different from the more common distinction found in languages that use grammatical gender. Whereas natural gender is based on sex, male and female, grammatical gender is based on types of noun. So grammatical gender is not related at all with biological distinction. So divided into masculine and feminine. In the latter sense, nouns are classified according to their gender class, and typically articles and adjectives have different form to agree with the gender of the noun. Okay, Spanish is one language that uses grammatical gender, has two grammatical gender, masculine and feminine. El Sol, La Luna. German use three gender, masculine der Mond, the moon, feminine die Sonne, the sun, and neuter das Feuer. I'm sorry for the spelling because I do not know how to spell in German and Spanish. The different form of article in both Spanish, el or la, and German, and both correspond to differences in gender class of the noun. We can see more clearly here. So Spanish consider el sol or the sun as masculine, but la luna, the moon, as feminine. The opposite of German, der Mond is the moon is considered masculine. Die Sonne or the sun is considered feminine, and the fire, das Feuer, is considered neuter. In German, in fact, das Mädchen, the young girl, is considered neuter, not feminine. Yeah, Le Libre in France is considered masculine. So these three languages, Spanish, German, and French, are languages that use grammatical gender. We should emphasize that this gender distinction is not based on distinction in sex. A young girl is biologically female, but German noun das Mädchen used to talk about her is grammatically neuter, as we mentioned before. So grammatical category of gender is very useful applied in describing a number of language, but may not appropriate for describing form in other, such as English. The French noun Le Libre is grammatically masculine, but neither nor the French people consider the book to be biologically male. So between grammatical gender and biological distinction is not related. Yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for your attention.